there. Wayne Pinnock is there. So Kieran McLeod. So there are some jumpers going as we give you the lane assignments quickly for Heat 3. Mackenzie Crabbe of British Virgin Islands, a finalist last year's in 1. Jazia Johnson, Bahamas in 2. Laquana Howell, Cayman Islands in 3. Charlize Morris, Virgin Islands in 4. Azaria Harris, Jamaica in 5. Sierra Tall, Suriname in 6. And Kylin Prentice of St. Kitts runs out of lane number 7. Jamaican Azaria Harris had a good high school season in the set position. Off they go. And Harris got up well, but Jazia Johnson of Bahamas showing her class on the inside. It's Johnson with the advantage ahead of Harris. Johnson wins it. Look at that flash time. 11:22. And Johnson means business. Look at that look as well.
Well, the Junkanoo band is here and they're going to strike up later on, but they have quite a lot to celebrate in the early runnings here of the preliminaries of the under-17 girls.
Well, it was